Hi guys, welcome to Easy Coder channel. Today we will discuss how to create a shopping app like this by using Flutter language. So this is a simple shopping app which have three different sections: bags and clothes and footwear. So here we are going to list all the bags available. This will have image and name of the bag and price. So on click of this one, it will go to detail page where you can see the description of the item and you can click buy item to buy the item. So we will go through. This is the title of the bag. So we will see how we did this one. So this is my main dot file. So in this main dot file, this is the main dot file with a stateless widget. So this stateless widget having method called build. So in this build I have the title of the app and I made debug show check banner, make it false. Otherwise, if I didn't put this one here, if you can see that bar, so I don't want this bar, so you can disable by putting debug show check mode banner false. And this is a theme and this is my home. This is my home screen. I'll go to home screen. So my home screen also, it's a stateless widget which have the build method and having the scaffold. Inside the scaffold I initialize the web bar, title, shopping app. I am aligned to center by putting the center title true, and I want this shopping cart. So this shopping cart I added here. Actions, in that actions I added one icon. So here is my grid view. So body in the body I have a container. In that container I have columns. This part is for this one. This part is list view, horizontal scroll list view. So for this one I put it in container column padding. I put some padding. This categories. So what is this categories? This categories is a stateful widget. So usually the stateful widget, we have to create the state, and the state I have list what are the menu options you want to show. Currently I have bags, clothes, footwear. So here I have a build method. In this build method I have sized box. I set this height as a 25 and this is a list view dot builder. So in this list view I pass item count, item category list dot length, and item builder I passed one widget, this build category widget. For this build category widget I pass the index. So what is this build category widget will do? This is having one text as child as a text. This text I am passing the category dot index, what I am passing to this method, and I wrapped with the guest detector to know the which item I selected. So in this guest detector, when I click, I am on tab. On tab I am setting the state selected index equal to index. This selected index I initialized initially with 0. So when you select the other item, this will automatically assign to the index. So once this list is, this is for this part. So now I want to create this grid view like this. So this is a part. So I have container, I given some padding and I want to give the height. So how much I have to give? So I am using media query dot of context. I am taking the full screen width, full screen height, and I multiply by 0.8. That means I am allocating grid view with 80%. Instead of giving some hard coded, I am taking with the help of media query, I am getting the height and I am assigning only 80% for this grid view. Remaining 20% I am using for the scrolling the list view, horizontal list view. So this is list view. I'm using grid view dot builder. This grid view dot builder is accepting two. One is grid delegate. So grid delegate, silver grid delegate with max cross axis event. So these are some values. So like, so this is how much width you want to allocate. Child aspect ratio. This is spacing. This is the main for grid view. Main axis spacing is vertical spacing. Cross axis is a horizontal spacing. And you have to mention the item count. Products are length. These products are my list. I assign one class. This is my product dot file. So where I have a product class. So my product will have ID, title, image, description, price, size, color. So I created one list with the product. So I am adding some products. This product ID, title, price, description. So images I am getting from the asset folder. So in asset folder I added 4 images. So to access this asset folder in the YAML file, you have to add this entry assets slash images. So I have one list which contain 4 products. So these I imported in my home screen. On the top I imported this product dot file. So I given how much so I given product dot length item builder which accept the context and index. So the child is a container. In this container, for this container I given some decoration, box decoration like border radius, border color, border radius. I given circular of 10. I given some color also, border color. And here I have column. For each this container again having the column. The column usually accept list of children's. So first one is image. So I'm loading from the products index.image. And second one is the title of the product. I given some styling. Third one is the price. So this whole grid item I wrapped with gesture. Whole item I wrapped with gesture detector. So when you tap on this item and tap of the item, so I am going to next product detail page by using navigator. So navigator dot off context. You can I'm going to use push. This push will usually accept material page root, builder context, and I am returning the product detail page. So for to show some details in this product detail page, I need some data. So I am passing to the constructor. So what are the things I am passing? So I am passing the title, description, price, image. So in this product detail page, I declare these variables final string, title, description, image, and I am assigning. So whatever I am passing from there, I am assigning to these variables in the constructor. And this class is a stateless widget. So we have to write our logic in the build method. It have the scaffold, app bar. App bar also I pass the title. Whatever I am getting from title from the other class, I am putting in the app bar itself. So I have one shopping cart image in the app bar. So in the body I declared one container, and this is a stack which accepting the list of widgets. So again I have a container with some padding. So I set the image here, and I have one more container. This is for description. So I wrapped with the center so that it will come here. It will come here. And for buy button, this button, I I created one raised button which have the child as a text, simply text, which have some style, and I given some color, text color. So I want to put it in the bottom of the screen, so I used align and alignment dot bottom center. So this will do, it will put the this raised button at the down. So this is my code. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe for more interesting updates.